Hey everybody, I'm back again and I'm here to do July Junk Journal Challenge 2025, hosted by Lee at Lee's Art and Junk Journal Wonderland. And today is day 18, Bird. So this is a whole operation. If I go to my page, I'm going to be using this stork. So this is going to be this stork, and I have this cute little snail as well. So that's what I'm going to be using for bird. So let's get started. I'm done. This was a bit of a hard one because what I wanted to do was I wanted to use this stencil, but it just did not work on top of my jelly print, but it added a little bit of character. I tried to do it twice. It still didn't work, but the last time with the gesso, it worked a little bit. It gave it a little bit more character. I tried to cover the entire page with gesso. There's a little bit of brown left down here at the bottom, but it's not so bad. This stork, I got it out. The stork and the snail, I got it out of the Flow magazine. And I thought that this was a different type of, image of a bird than what I think most people expect. And the background was done with these stencils that I have. These are stencils that I bought from Temu, so I really like them. And I just added a little bit of, character here and there for the picture. And here we have it, bird. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will be back tomorrow for Teabag, so that should be very interesting. And I look forward to seeing you then. Okay. Bye-bye.